So hello guys, we are student of SS Swami International Techno School, and today we are going to discuss some articles which is just given in the Hindu newspaper, and that is of today, means 23rd November 2020. So first of all, I would like to introduce my teammates. He is Mayank Kumar,
Hello everyone.
and he is Sonu Kumar,
Hello everyone.
and I am Rahul Kumar. So let's discuss about what is the new topic and the Hindu newspaper. So do you want to tell something about the Panchayati Raj, because it was given in the newspaper, Sonu?
Yes, here why I am not like to tell it. So this amendment was brought in the 1992, and it was the 23rd amendment of our constitution. And this Panchayati Raj is the ninth part of in our constitution, and it is in 11th schedule of it.
Our
Yeah.
constitution.
Yeah.
Yes.
So as we know that there are means 12 schedule and 25 parts in our constitution. So this Panchayati Raj is in ninth schedule, sorry, 11th schedule and ninth part of the
Yeah,
constitution. So do you want to add something new to this, man?
Yes, actually, in whatever we got in the Hindu, it was basically regarding the which
Jammu.
like election which is going to be held in Jammu Kashmir,
Yeah,
not
Jammu
at
Kashmir village.
not at state level,
Yeah,
at
yeah.
means
At the
low level,
low
panchayat level. So basically, what we have got that we have seen several parties and we have seen Gupkar's alliance also. So means what the writer is telling, that he is trying to aware the people that if you are voting someone, then vote carefully and think about the country, not about, because we have seen many disputes regarding Jammu and Kashmir.
Yeah, when there was a abolition of when the government was trying to remove the Article 320 over that.
Over
Big,
the Jammu
and
Kashmir,
it was happening in 5th August and 2019, only
2019,
last year.
yeah,
It is
last
not a
year.
big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
and also many people are saying that might be that the parties, those who regional parties of Jammu Kashmir, they might restore the 370 article. They are trying to restore the 370 article, special status of Jammu Kashmir and all. So the public should give vote by thinking carefully that what will happen to the country and all. They should first, and also we have seen that many oppositions, those who were
Who were against each other last
Last-
election,
in
but
last
they all
election, they
combined together,
combined
and here they all are in a single alliance, that is Gupkar Alliance Declaration, and this is the second declaration, and the first declaration of Gupkar was in last year, when this law
When
article
the-
was abolished from that state.
from the
So in that there was
constitution,
not a
yeah.
big deal, but that parties people were trying to destroy all the camps of police forces and many things, which were mainly such you also seen in the last year riot that in the Jammu Kashmir, the people just burn the Indian national flag,
Yeah,
because they have its own flag and they have own constitution like the USA has.
Yeah, so as we know that Jammu Kashmir has got a special status, but nowadays, according to Article 370, it has got the special status, but
Yeah,
now,
but now it's abolished.
that has been abolished, and due to that only, before some month there was a presidential rule here, but nowadays it is going to be a election. That is not for the prime minister or chief minister. That is only
Panchayat
at
level.
the panchayat level, means lower
And
level.
one thing I would like to include in it,
Yeah.
that the election which is going to be held in Jammu and Kashmir,
Yeah.
this will be in 2032, sorry, not 230 village, and this election will be held by the state election commission, such as for the CM and the PM. The election is held by the central
Central,
at
yeah.
central level and state level, so due to which it is held by the election commission of whole India, and but
That
here
is
will be
known as
a
election
state.
commission.
Yeah.
Yes,
Election
and
Commission of India.
also Gupkar alliance, they might try to make the JSK state again, because as we know now that it's union territories and it has been divided, but they will try to combine the both, and they might
Form.
it as a state only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, now we are going to discuss about a new topic which Mank is just going to explain you about. So ma'am, explain about that topic.
So actually, I got another article in the Hindu that police has filed some case against ex JNU students, former JNU students, Vino, Umar Khalid and all. Faizan Khan means 2 or 3 students. They have been filed a case, and the police is mainly basically trying to say that they are all means they were included in, as we know that there was a riots in Delhi in February in so the according to the police they all three they were trying to create some violence over here, and due to which the matter arose, and they have filed many documents and all, and they are telling that the violation everything the idea was planned when Donald Trump was arriving to India, and they had did it all from a they had a WhatsApp group from where they means spread it all, and they were trying to violate the people, but still we don't know that who are means culprit and who are means either they are really included in the case or not, we don't know, but it will be better to see that what will happen next. Either they will be sent to jail or they might clarify and they will tell that they are innocent and all, so it will be very interesting to see that what will happen and all. So be with us, and so we are having many articles regarding the Delhi riots Delhi, and it was one of them, and that was all regarding the this topic.
Yeah, Mayank, as you are talking about riot, but it is in our country, yeah, at a state level, or a district level. But I am going to tell about the riot, or that's a terrorist attack in our country, that at a Soma, which is just present in Kashmir. It is near the international border of India. That is near the Pakistan.
Pakistan,
Yeah. So what happened there? Before some day we listened that a news is JEM. That means Jaise Muhammad, the militant just came in India and attacked also. That
Yes.
Yeah. So in that, what happened? How they came? Then our BSF police or BSF guards searched that in Kashmir there was a big tunnel.
Yeah,
Tunnel inside earth that was about 115-meter long. That was just from a post of near about post of Pakistan. Pakistan, yeah.
to Jammu and Kashmir.
Yeah. And people are saying on it that if Pakistan could try to make something for better, and what the amount of they invested in this tunnel, and if they're trying to invest on their own country, then they might develop themselves better. Such as you know that FATF is going to
Put them in
yeah.
that place.
Yeah.
Means FATF has pressurized the Pakistan to put him in jail.
Yeah,
And,
Hadith Sayyid.
it is an organization which was set up in 1989, and its headquarter is in France,
Paris.
Paris.
Yeah.
And if we talk about its work, then its work is to manage the financial work, and also to look after the terrorist attack wherever it happened.
Yeah.
So Isan, you are here.
Hi Rahul.
Hi. So do you want to add something new to our topic, or you
About
want to
Hindu?
tell? Yeah, about
Yeah, I
Hindu.
was watching you all from
Okay,
that
okay.
time.
So you continue. I am just coming back within a minute.
So first of all, I would like to tell you about vaccination. Like in today's editorial, we have known and seen about vaccinations. Like we all know that there are two companies, Moderna and Pfizer, who are developing coronavirus vaccination. So about that, today's editorial was there, and that's why what happened that many people were saying that if India will buy vaccination from any company, so they will ask that what are the priorities. Like we all know that India has not so many facilities that it can provide all the vaccination to all the people, and also can store it. Like for vaccination, what is needed, that a cold storage is needed. And like we all know that there was a polio vaccination, there was influenza vaccination. So these are all the vaccination which have to be in cold storage, and this SARS COVID vaccine also is for cold storage.
Cold storage, yeah.
So what happened that many people were saying that if India buys, then how will they store? And moreover, there was the other company Pfizer, where Moderna have 90 degrees Celsius minus 90 degrees Celsius. Pfizer have more needed for temperature things. Like they have told that it should be in more cold storage, which is beyond India limit. India can't handle at that temperature because we do not have so many facilities. So this was about that. And then we also know that COVID-19 is not only COVID-19. Like during the lockdown period, we heard that there is SARS and MERS, which is SARS COVID-19, which is severe acute respiratory syndrome, and MERS, Middle East respiratory syndrome. So for that, these two companies have also developed a vaccine which is only for cold storage, and these two will be also being provided by the government when it comes. And both of the companies have told that their vaccines are 90% effective.
95% effective.
So,
95% effective.
so these companies were trying that if India will buy, because India is on number 2 and number 1 cases. So,
Because on first
USA.
Yeah.
So it was saying that if we will give vaccination to India, their economy will also grow. So this was all about today's editorial, and that's all.
Okay, guys.
So okay guys, we will meet with you in next video, and we will come up with different topic of Hindu. So if you want to get any information about another topic, then you can comment in our comment box. And if you want to watch more videos related to the Hindu newspaper, then subscribe this channel. And so we will meet with you in next video. So